What I want to show you in this video could make you money online, only if you approach it with a business mindset. If you want to know what this is all about, to get the big picture, then watch this video to the very end, and if it does help you as I claim, please consider subscribing. Now let's jump into the video. The first step is to come to this website here, yeezin.com. So you're going to go to Google and search yeezin.com. It's going to bring you to this platform. I'm already logged in. So what you're going to do is you're going to create an account with the platform, and once you've created an account, then you'll be able to log in. The account creation process is pretty simple. Anyone can do it. Okay, so once you've created an account, log in, and then once you're logged in, you're gonna see a page like this. Okay, so very quickly, if you click here, okay, where you have your username, you see stuffs like this. Let me kind of like zoom that in. You see your dashboard, you see your D's widget, your profile, help center, and where you can log out. Okay, so if I click dashboard, that's gonna quickly gonna bring me to this page. Okay, so this is where you're going to see the money you've been paid. This is where you're gonna see the amount pending. Okay, so this is practically how it looks like. Okay, so if we go back to that place again, and we're gonna see where it says profile. So here, this is where you'll be able to add your payment method. Okay, so you'll be able to withdraw the money you earn on this platform. So you might be asking, what is this platform all about? This is a platform where you have a lot of brands and stores. So these brands and stores, they give you access to promote their services and products. Okay, products and services. Okay, so as an affiliate marketer, all you have to do is you look at these brands here. Okay, for example, let's look at this BlockFi, which is a crypto currency related company, okay, or website. So you come here, if you click where it says promote, it's gonna give you a link. Okay, so it's gonna give us this link. Let me kind of like, it's gonna give us this link. Okay, so this is the link which you would copy, okay, to promote on different social media platforms, like on Facebook. Okay, you could promote this link on Facebook, you could promote on Instagram, you could run ads and all those stuffs. Okay, good. So but first, let me show you why this is important. Okay, so if you look at this here, it says up to $500 cash reward. Okay, so you can see these different brands and stores, they offer you different levels of cash rewards. Okay, so you have to come here and look at the one you really like. Okay, so if I want to go with this BlockFi thing, all you have to do is to click it to have a clearer understanding of what it is all about. Now it shows this page. Okay, I clicked it and it shows me this page. So if I read this a little bit, let me kind of like zoom that. Okay, good. It says BlockFi deals. It says BlockFi offers crypto interest earning accounts with up to 8.6% APY. Okay, it says this allows clients holding crypto like Bitcoin and Ether to earn compounding interest. Okay, you can see that. And then if we go down here, you can see BlockFi sales and promotions. It says earn up to $250 in BTC bonus when you sign up and fund your new account. Okay, so it says here also receive up to $250 in BTC bonus when you click and fund a new account. And then it says here no minimum balance required to earn interest. It says receive a $25 USDC bonus with qualifying deposit. Okay, so you go through all these things. Now, these are some of the things anybody you refer to this website that signs up and creates an account stands to gain. Okay, so you can see the brand here has juicy offers. So that's exactly what you're looking for, brands that have juicy offers, so that when you run ads to promote these kind of products and services, you would stand a high chance of converting. Okay, so basically, if you look at what we have here, it says cash reward. So it says up up to $500 per approved funded loan / $25 per referral deposit. So you can see what you stand to gain here, okay, by simply referring people to this platform. Okay, so this is how it works. Okay, so if we go back to that brands and stores again, okay, and browse through the different offers here, you will see a lot of offers. So it depends on your choice and what you want to do. Okay, so you feel free to go through each of these. Okay, so once you have decided on which brand or store you want to go with, okay, all you have to do is to click where it says promote, okay, and then you get their link, and then you move on to the next step as I show you how you can promote this offer. Now, the next step is to come to this website, as you can see up here, okay, adsclerk.com. You search that on Google, it's going to bring you to this platform. So this is a platform where you can buy ads, okay? But before you can do that, you would have to create an account, okay? So what you're going to do is to very quickly come to this place where it says create an account. You're going to click that. It's going to take you through a simple sign up process, okay? And once you filled in the necessary details, they're going to send you an email, okay? And then you just go to your email to click the link sent to you to prove that you signed up with the correct email, and then from there you'll be able to log in. Okay, so once you're logged in, our dashboard is going to pretty much look like this. Okay, so this is how it's going to look like. So for you to run ads, we have a lot of categories of ads you can run. Okay, so if you click here, you will see a drop down showing you the various categories where you can run ads. Okay, now because what we're discussing in this video has to do with cryptocurrency, okay, so you go with, let me kind of like zoom that in. Good, you're gonna go with this cryptocurrency here. You click that. Once we search that, so it's gonna display a bunch of websites that are in the cryptocurrency niche. Okay, so these websites are willing to collect a few dollars from you to place your ad on their website. Okay, so you can see all of them here. Okay, so what you're going to do is to clearly study these websites. Okay, and once you see the one you like, all you have to do is to click it. Okay, so let's say I like this one. All I have to do is to click this, and then when I click it, it's going to give me more details about the website. Okay, so if I look at this, it tells me here now that on this website, this one here, it tells me that about 12.64% of the visits on this website are from the US, 6-point-something% Turkey. You can see a breakdown of the stats there. So all you have to do is to go through this thing. Here it shows you this the size of the banner you're going to upload for you to run this ad. And so these are the details. Here you can go choose your targeting for the ads, and just pretty much look at the necessary things here. And then once you're interested, let's say you're interested with this, here you're going to be charged $1.5 per 1,000 impressions. Okay, so all you have to do is to click add to cart, and then you begin to fill in the necessary details and then run your ads. Okay, so to avoid making this video unnecessarily long, I'm gonna leave a video in the description below this video. It's gonna be a video from this website, okay, showing you how to run ads on this website, how to do all the necessary nitty-gritties that are needed for you to be able to run a successful ad. Okay, like I told you before, you would need to fund your account, okay, for you to run ads on this platform. For example, if I click this, if I click where it says account, you can see here it shows me a deposit, cash out, transactions, pendings. Okay, so you'll be able to deposit money in here, so that when you add this add to cart, where it says add to cart, when you click add to cart, for instance, if I click add to cart, you can see now I have a notice here. So once I click that, it's gonna bring me to this place here. You can see here now, it brings me to here. It says what publicity blog gives me the dimension of my banner, blah 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 blah. You see where I say checkout. Once I click checkout now, So it tells me maximum cart value is $5. Okay, so I have not funded my Adsclerk's account, so I can't run this ad. So basically, but this is how to do it. I'm gonna leave a video in the description below this video showing you how you can run ads on this platform, guys. So this is how you can do this with as low as $5, $10, $20. Okay, you'll be able to run profitable ads on this platform. Okay, with little money you'll be able to make money on this platform. So this strategy works. It works. A lot of people are doing it. Okay, this website has been here for years. Okay, so a lot of people are doing this. All you have to do is to carefully study the website. Make sure the website you want to run ads on is related to the product you are selling. Okay, the service you are selling. If you're in the crypto niche, make sure you filter it properly up here. Make sure you use the right filter option here, and make sure you're using something from the crypto niche. And that's how this thing works, guys. Okay, so this is the method in today's video. If you got value in this video, why not give this video a thumbs up, share it among your friends. If you have not subscribed, subscribe, because I show important videos like this, okay, that could help you and I make money online. Okay, most of my videos are free methods, okay, but this one is involves a slight investment. Okay, so it's your guy Ken, it's Big Zell Bees signing out.